Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will show you how to use AI to create a checklist in Trello on your iPhone 12. So let's start. So basically, in the Trello application, you need to have a premium version, but you can use AI on the website. I will show you how to turn on this. So we need to go to Safari or Google Chrome and go to the website called Trello.com. Okay, so you'll have three dots right there behind the inbox. Tap on them and go to the settings right there. So right here you will have a IE option. Okay, so to create a checklist you need to go here, tap right there. Then you need to go open the card again, and there you will have a checklist. So you just need to write some here, click on this, and the AI will generate you your checklist. So that's all. Thank you for watching and see you later.